Welcome to our video on how to create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential for the success of any business, whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing company. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to create a comprehensive business plan that can help you achieve your business goals. First, let's define what a business plan is. A business plan is a written document that outlines your business goals, the strategy for achieving them, and the time frame for reaching those goals. It serves as a roadmap for your business and is crucial for securing funding from investors or lenders. Step 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is the first section of your business plan, but it's often written last. It provides a concise overview of your business and its goals. Include a brief description of your business, the problem it solves, your target market, and a snapshot of your financial projections. This section should be engaging and highlight the key points of your plan. Step 2. Business Description. In this section, describe your business in more detail. Explain what your business does, the products or services you offer, and the market needs you address. Include information about your business's history, mission statement, and business model. This will give readers a clear understanding of your business's purpose and direction. Step 3. Market Analysis. Conduct thorough research to understand your industry, market, and competitors. Describe your target market, including demographics, geographic location, and buying behavior. Analyze your competitors, noting their strengths and weaknesses, and explain how your business will differentiate itself. This section should demonstrate your deep understanding of the market landscape. Step 4. Organization and Management. Outline your business's organizational structure. Introduce your team and highlight their skills and experience. Include an organizational chart if possible. This section should show that you have a competent and capable team to execute your business plan. Step 5. Products or services line. Describe your products or services in detail. Explain the benefits and features of each product or service and how they meet the needs of your target market. Discuss any research and development activities and your plans for future products or services. This section should make it clear why your offerings are valuable and unique. Step 6. Marketing and Sales Strategy. Detail your marketing and sales strategies. Explain how you will attract and retain customers. Discuss your pricing strategy, advertising and promotion plans, and sales tactics. This section should show that you have a clear plan for reaching your target market and generating sales. Step 7. Funding Request. If you're seeking funding, outline your funding requirements. Specify how much money you need, what you will use it for, and the terms you're seeking. Include your future funding requirements over the next 5 years. This section should be specific and realistic, showing that you have a clear plan for using the funds to grow your business. Step 8. Financial Projections. Provide detailed financial projections. Include income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. Explain your assumptions and how you arrived at your projections. This section should demonstrate that your business is financially viable and capable of growth. Step 9. Appendix. The appendix contains supplementary information that supports your business plan. This can include resumes, permits, lease agreements, legal documentation, and other relevant documents. This section should be well organized and easy to reference. In conclusion, a well-crafted business plan is essential for any business. It provides a clear roadmap for your business's success and is crucial for securing funding. By following these steps and dedicating time to research and planning, you can create a comprehensive business plan that will guide your business towards achieving its goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on business planning and entrepreneurship. Good luck with your business journey.